I want to be able to ask questions. Maybe I ain't that smart. I need you to break that down to me. You know what I'm saying? Write it out in Play-Doh or something. I don't know, but I want to feel comfortable with spending my money with you.
Informed decision.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, and because you the one that's going to have to run that dog to the vet if it's got health problems. You know what I'm saying? You're the one that if that dog can't get right, it's going to be your children he bite. If that dog got the wrong temperament because somebody wanted to build a puppy kit and they brought in something else outside that didn't supposed to be there. You know what I'm saying? Now that dog got an attitude because, for whatever reason, you got to deal with that.